Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. Today we are going to discuss about how we can learn English language faster. Because what happens actually when we learn English language, so there are chances that we will forget when we speak English language, when we just recall something whatever we had learned yesterday. So there are chances that we will be forgetting that thing, that we will forget that thing, and we will not be able to recall that thing. We won't be able to recall, right? So this is a very common problem for us. We are speaking and we are learning whatever we are learning. The next day there are problems, like when we just recall the thing, when we recall the same thing whatever we had done yesterday, uh, it doesn't come, right? And then we feel that now we are just we are not learning. Actually, we are not getting fluency, we are not getting better, we are not getting better at English language, and we are facing problems. So how we can become a fluent speaker, how we can learn English language faster? See my friend, what happens actually, we are learning but not smartly. We need to speak English language, we need to learn English language smartly, in a smart way, so that we could just learn it easily and in a short period of time, because it is taking so much time. And other thing, if we will speak it, or we will learn it, whatever sentence, whatever we are learning, if we will learn it at the any time in a day, in a daytime, so there are chances that we will be forgetting it the next day. But the solution is, if we learn it in the evening time before sleeping, or at any time in the evening, right? So I would say, from my perspective, we won't be able to forget it easily. We will be able to recall it, we will be able to remember it for a long time. I know some of the people will be learning these type of things in the evening time, I know very well. And there are also so many people who don't have enough time in the evening time, and they will be saying that how we can learn English language in the evening time, if we want to learn English language faster, because we have another works, we have to go somewhere else, we have to do this, we have to do that. So how we can become? So in this video I'm going to share with you, for both type of people, how actually they can speak English language, they can learn English language faster. And what I'm doing, how I am learning, I'm going to share with you, right? So first of all, if I talk about those people who have enough time to study, to learn English language in the evening time, so what should they do? What should they do? See my friend, if you have enough time, so just whatever is necessary for you, learn that. And try to relate it to the people. If you are learning sentences, whatever tense you framed, whatever tense you made, just relate it to the people, relate it to yourself, right? Relate it to yourself, and just repeat it 4 5 times only. It could be anything, whatever you are learning. It could be any vocabulary, it could be any word, it could be any vocabulary, it could be your tense, it could be any grammar rule, whatever it could be. Just repeat it 4 5 times, and then you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to sleep, just sleep, right? And know the what do we call it, the positions of sleeping as well. Whatever position you are taking while sleeping, just know about that thing as well. Like if you are sleeping by side, right side and left side, so what are the positions name of these sides? You can learn this thing as well while sleeping, while before sleeping. It is also necessary, and you won't be able to forget this, because it is related to yourself, right? Whenever you will sleep, just try to understand that what is the position I'm taking, and what is called it in English language, right? And you won't be able to forget this thing. because you will be using it every single day. Whenever you will sleep, then you will recall it that yeah, it is my this position. There are three positions I would like to tell you: supine position, and prone position, and lateral position. Lateral position is by side. If you are sleeping right side, so it is called right lateral. If you are sleeping left side, so it is called left lateral, right? And supine is by, I mean, this thing you can just learn it. So if I talk about my topic, like what to do to remember it for a long time. See my friend, whatever you are learning, just relate it to yourself, and then repeat it 4 or 5 times, and don't learn a lot of things. I know very well there will be many things in your notebook, and you will be mugging up so many people. There will be so many people who will be just you know uh, repeating it again and again, and there are so many things. There will be so many things like vocabulary, any tense, and they will be just they mug up. Don't mug up. Just try to learn 4 5 things, whatever you want to learn. It is, if it is a sentence, then learn at least 4 5 tenses, 4 5 sentences, I mean, in whatever rule you have learned. If you are learning present indefinite, if you are learning active passive, if you are learning direct indirect, just learn 4 5 tenses, right? And if I talk about the vocabulary, so in vocabulary also the same thing applies. Just learn a few vocabularies, 4 5 10, I mean, whatever your capacity. Okay, just try to learn according to your capacity, that so that you could remember it. Okay, and then sleep, and in this way you can remember it for a long time, and you will be able to recall it the next day in the morning time. Okay. And if I talk about those people who don't have enough time, how they can do, what they can do. So first of all, if you don't have, if you don't have time, you have time only just on bed. You are on the bed and you are about to sleep. You are about to sleep, and then you are thinking that today I didn't have time to study. What to do? So my friend, if you have phone, so just try to learn with the help of your phone. I mean, how long time it will take? You will just open your screen, and you will just focus on that thing, whatever you want to learn. Whatever you want to learn, it could be any vocabulary, it could be any grammar rule or tense or whatever it is. Just repeat it before sleeping, man. Before sleeping, this thing, this small thing, if you do, so I believe that there will be change. You will find, you will see the change. You will see that yes, my English is improving and I am able to recall. You can examine this thing. One thing you should learn in the I mean, any time in the day, in the daytime, anytime, afternoon, or wherever you are free. Just learn one thing in the daytime, in a daytime, whenever you are free, right? And just don't no, I mean, the second thing you should learn in the evening time before sleeping. And then you will see the change when you will wake up the next day. When you will wake up, then when you will try to recall it again, that whatever I had learned yesterday, whatever I learned yesterday, let me see, let me recall it, what I'm able to recall. But yeah, the condition is, if you are learning in the morning time, just repeat it and try to relate it to yourself. Okay, and then you will be able to recall it, and you will see that you may not be able to recall that one whatever you have learned in daytime, like afternoon, or whenever you have learned that thing, you are unable to recall it. You may be unable to recall that thing, but you won't be able to forget that thing that you have learned in the evening, right? It is the reality. It is, yeah. You can see it, you can check that, you can examine this thing, that if you will learn in the evening, if you will study in the evening, then you may not be able to forget it easily. there are chances that you will be able to recall it, you will be able to uh, remember it for a long time, right? And if I talk about myself, so I am just learning in a daytime, because uh, in the evening I have to just upload my video and doing this type of stuff. There are a lot of things to do in the evening time. I just sometimes I write any script type of, if I'm unable to understand what to say, what not to say, then I have to write a script as well. Sometimes I don't speak with the I don't speak with with the I don't use any type of script, and I speak without any type of script, and most of the time I speak without script. But whenever I'm just demotivated, whenever I'm feeling that today I can't do, today I cannot speak, I stuck a lot, I just stumble, I fumble a lot, then I think that um, now I need to write any type of script, then I will be able to speak. What, I don't know what happens to me, I am able to speak some of the things easily, but when it comes to speaking in front of the camera while recording videos, then I feel that I don't know anything, and my mind goes blank, you know my mind goes blank. But now I'm fighting with myself, I'm fighting, and one day I will win, I will win. So my friend, just fight for your dreams, fight with yourself, just win. I mean, know yourself, recognize yourself. If you don't know anything, if you don't know, just believe in yourself that you are. See, my friend, everyone has different types of idiosyncrasies, everyone has different types of abilities, everyone has different types of weakness, right? And everyone has different types of strength as well. So know your strength and work upon it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.